You are going to love the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, front disc rear drum brakes, tires front all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Come take a test drive today.